Hello, welcome to Cooking with Debs
and Sophia,
and today we are making a quiche. This is a use up what you've got type quiche, and ours is definitely helped by oleo and things like that. We've got some little sausages and I've got some ham. I've chopped them up. I've got this Jarlsberg sliced cheese that I got through Fair Share. Rather than using grated cheese, I've just chopped up some of those slices. These tomatoes were grown by a friend of mine, and unfortunately we'd abandoned them a little bit too long and they've got a bit wrinkly. However, in a quiche, absolutely fine. I've got pepper and an onion in here that I've sautéed together. You don't have to do that, but I just find it just stops them being too raw tasting when the quiche is done. The pepper came from Fair Share as well. These eggs were gifted to me by a friend. I talked about that in my last video. If you haven't watched it, go and watch my cheat quiche crust video, and I'll wait and you come back and that will tell you how to make this. This is my cheats quiche crust. It's just been in the fridge for the time it's taken me to chop this stuff up, just to saute the veg. We're ready to go. So Sophia's going to start cracking some eggs in there. You want 45 eggs probably. A lot of this is going to depend on how much filling you put in, what size your dish is, things like that. So take it with a pinch of salt and pepper. I'll put them in here. Now in my quiche, I like to use cottage cheese, which also I got through Fair Share, because it's really packs a protein punch, and it's quite healthy as well. You can use full fat, you can use low fat, whatever you've got. Right, stop there a minute. Let me stick the cottage cheese in. Do you want to just grab a fork?
Yeah.
I forgot to do that. If you think that the lumps in the cottage cheese are going to cause you a problem, you can stick it in your blender or your food processor, whatever, and get rid of the lumps. I didn't do that last time and I noticed absolutely no difference at all. So I don't think it's a problem. Right, so I've got my crust. I'm going to start by putting in some meat. This is a kind of twist of a quiche Lorraine. You could use cooked bacon. You can use a bit of leftover mince from something. That's quite a lot of meat, but we like meat.
Do I mix this?
Yeah, give it a good mix. I'm going to use the cottage cheese spoon, but it doesn't matter. Sprinkle over the tomatoes. I didn't want to tip them in because there's a bit of juice in the bottom and I didn't want to put that in and make the crust soggy. I've got my sautéed onion and pepper. I'll spread that over the top. Now, as you can see, there is a lot of filling in here. It's going to be like a really hearty quiche. I'm going to sprinkle half the cheese over the top, and then I'll add some more when we've got the egg mixture in. So
Mixed in all.
Let's have a look. How many eggs did you put in?
I put all of them.
Okay, I was going to say stop, but it doesn't matter.
5.
Hopefully this will all fit. Give it a good stir around. So we've got eggs, cottage cheese, a bit of salt and pepper. You can add in some mixed herbs if you want to, a bit of garlic powder. And spread that all over. I've got the milk out, but I actually don't need it. But if you maybe only had 3 eggs, or your eggs were a bit small, and you need something to top up your amounts, you can always add a bit of milk. I think we're just about getting it in. And I'm just going to sprinkle the cheese on top. This is going to go into a 180 degree C oven, which is about 350 Fahrenheit. I'm not sure actually, I need to check that. So you might have to edit that bit, Daddy. This is going to go into the oven. I will include the cooking details below, and we'll let you see what it looks like when it's done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and do check out the app Olio because it's a great food sharing app. Thanks for watching, bye!
Bye!